DreamHost. Managed hosting is a great option for those considering a hosting provider, but before you make your decision, there are a few things you need to know. Compared to competitors like Bluehost and SiteGround, DreamHost offers a different set of features and pricing that may work better for your website. So, let's dive into what you need to know before buying DreamHost managed hosting. The first thing to consider is the pricing. DreamHost is generally more affordable than competitors like WP Engine, with managed hosting plans starting at a lower price. This can make it a budget-friendly option for small businesses or individuals who want a reliable host without breaking the bank. However, the pricing scales up as your needs grow, so be aware of the costs as your site expands. Next thing to consider is the performance. DreamHost has a reputation for solid uptime, which is essential if you're running a website that needs to be online at all times. The uptime is around 99.95%, which is comparable to other top hosts like SiteGround. They also offer fast load times, especially with their SSD storage for quicker access to your website's files. The third thing to keep in mind is ease of use. DreamHost's control panel is known for being user-friendly. Unlike some other hosting providers that have complex dashboards, DreamHost's interface is simple and straightforward, which makes it a good choice for beginners. If you're new to web hosting, you won't have to spend too much time figuring things out. The fourth thing is their customer support. DreamHost offers 24/7 support, which is crucial when you run into issues. While they do provide support through live chat, email, and a ticketing system, some users report that the wait times for live chat can be a bit long during peak times. That said, DreamHost is known for being helpful when you get through to them. Next, let's talk about security. DreamHost takes security seriously, offering free SSL certificates with all managed hosting plans. They also have built-in firewalls and monitoring to help protect your website from attacks. While not as extensive as the security measures from hosts like WP Engine, DreamHost still provides solid protection. The sixth thing you should know is the free website migration. If you're moving your site from another host, DreamHost offers free migration services to make the transition as smooth as possible. This is especially useful for users coming from other platforms like Bluehost or HostGator. Another important factor is scalability. DreamHost's managed hosting plans are designed to grow with your website. As your traffic increases, you can easily upgrade to higher tier plans. If you're planning for significant growth, this flexibility is a great advantage over more rigid plans offered by other hosts. The eighth thing is the one-click installations. DreamHost offers easy installation for popular content management systems like WordPress and Joomla. While some competitors may have more one-click apps, DreamHost's integration with WordPress is seamless, making it a good choice for WordPress users. Next, let's talk about the server locations. DreamHost has data centers in both the US and Europe. This is good for international reach, as it ensures faster load times for users in these regions. However, if your audience is primarily in Asia or other areas, competitors with more global data center locations, like SiteGround, might be a better choice. The 10th thing is their backup service. DreamHost offers free automated daily backups with all managed hosting plans. This is a valuable feature, as it allows you to restore your site quickly if anything goes wrong. However, some other hosts, like WP Engine, offer even more advanced backup options. Now, the 11th thing is the resource allocation. DreamHost provides you with ample resources for most small to medium-sized websites. However, if you're running a high-traffic website or need additional performance for specific tasks, you may find that other providers, like Kinsta, offer better resource allocation. The final thing to keep in mind is the 97-day money-back guarantee. This is one of the longest guarantees in the industry, which means you have plenty of time to test the service and decide if it's the right fit for your needs. In conclusion, DreamHost Managed Hosting is a solid option for anyone looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-use hosting provider. While it doesn't always outshine the competition in areas like customer support or resource allocation, it's still a reliable choice for most website owners. However, if you're looking for even better performance and features, be sure to check out our recommended hosting